This video is for question 6 of tutorial 2.1. Question 6a is asking you to convert 110 kilometers per hour into the equivalent velocity in meter per second. Okay, so let's do it sequentially. First, you convert the kilometers to meters. As you know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, right? So 110 kilometer is the same as 110,000 meters. Therefore, 110 kilometers per hour is the same as 110,000 meters per hour. Okay, so now if we see that, now that we have a velocity of 110,000 meters per hour, what it means is that if I have a velocity of 110,000 meters per hour, it means that I will travel 110,000 meters every hour. This is the same as saying I will travel 110,000 meters every 3,600 seconds. Why 3,600 seconds? It's because 1 hour has 60 minutes. One minute has 60 seconds. So 1 hour has 3 60 times 60, which is 3,600 seconds. So now if I can travel 110,000 meters every 3,600 seconds, what is the distance that I can travel every second? So you simply have to take 110,000 divided by 3,600, right, to get the distance that you can travel every second. Okay, so if you evaluate this will give you 30.555 meters. Okay, so if I can travel 30.555 meters every second, it means that my velocity is just 30.555 meters per second, which is what you are trying to find here. Correct? So 110 kilometers per hour is the same as 30.555 meters per second. You can approximate it to 3 significant figures, which is 30.6 meters per second. So this is the answer. Okay, note that in exam, you are not expected to write all these explanation down, like how much distance will you travel in 1 hour, how much distance will you travel in 3,600 seconds, and so on and so forth. I did it this way to explain to you. I did it this way to demonstrate to you how you can I did it this way to show you. I did it this way so you can better understand how to get the answer. Okay, so if let's say for exam, all I will do is I'll just write 110 kilometers per hour is equals to 110,000 meters per hour, which is the same as 110,000 divided by 3,600 meters per second, and you evaluate this to be 30.555 meters per second and round it off to 30.6 meters per second. Okay, so this is all you need. This is all you need during exam. Okay. Part B. Let me first draw a timeline to show you what's going on here. Let's say this point is 0 second, this is 1 second, this is 2 second. At this point, 0 second, this is when you spotted the deer. And because of your reaction time, you take 1 second before you step on the brake. So the question is asking you to find out what is the distance that you would have traveled in this 1 second. The time between you spotting the deer and you stepping on the brake. Okay, so in the previous part, question 6a, you already found out that the car is traveling at 35 point. You already found out that the car is traveling at 30.555 meters per second. So you will just use this velocity to calculate the distance traveled. So the distance traveled in that 1 second is just velocity times the time during which it's traveling at that velocity. Okay, so this is just 30.555 times 1 second. So this is 30.555 meters, and you round it off to 30.6 meters.